Guys, here we go. Number 24 premium pack foosball. 2-4 premium pack foosball. Alright, 5 times. Go ahead and see what number pack we're getting here. 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Okay, 26. 26, 26. Good. Okay, 26. Alright, 26 it is. Let me grab that real quick. $26. Alright. 26 it is. Still looking for Joe Burrow. Lamar's still in there. Nice Mahomes patchy poos are in there. Alright, well, let's randomize it up, see what teams you guys get. Alright, Jared 1, Kim 3, Tanya 2, Chris 4, BY at 5, Maddie 3, Joe Bat 6, Bill Berg 4, Craig 1, John 2, and BY at 1. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Let's let it go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Joe Bats, you're on top. Joe Bats, you're on top. BY, you're on the bottom 5 times. Alright, Bill Berg, Bears, Chiefs, Rams, Steelers, BY, Falcons, Cowboys, Dolphins, Eagles, Chargers, Skins. Chris Shove, Panthers, Browns, Packers, Colts. Craig Staten, Pats. Jared, Texans. Joe Bats, Cardinals, Bills, Broncos, Giants, Raiders, Titans. John Phillips, Bengals, Bucks. Kimberly, Vikings, Jets, Seahawks. Maddie, Ravens, Jags, Niners. Tanya, Lions, and Saints. Alright, guys, any trades? Baseball, Volt. You got Volt, Mini, Premium Pack, and then a combo. So you got 5 more breaks. Then a Premium Jersey. And I got 6 left in the next Premium Pack. And Volt has 19, and Premium Football is working as well. Alright, guys. Any trades, let me know. Be right back. Any trades, let me know. Hey, Don, what's up, man? Alright, man, you got it. You got the last 6 there. D-Don. Alright, Premium Pack's done. You want that Tampa Bay for Green Bay? Tampa Bay for Green Bay. The Bay for the Bay. Green Bay, Chris. Tampa, John. Okay. So, Green Bay, Chris. Tampa Bay, Chris. Alright, there you go. Alright. Joe's looking for that Aaron Rodgers auto. Aaron Rodgers auto, maybe it's in there. Emojis, boys, emojis. John, this your first time on here? Amateur hour. eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, 26 out of 85. Here we go. Alright, little Adam Thielen on top for the Vikings. Minnesota Vikings. That's going to go to Kimberly. Kim, mind the big screen. Alright, first card. Minnesota going to Kimberly. Okay. Alright, Kimberly. Put some tape on that. Okay. Next card is a Tony Gonzalez. Tony Gonzalez rookie on card auto. Hey, shout out big screen. It is a Tony Gonzalez rookie auto. 2000 tops. Tony G rookie auto. That'll be going to Bill Berg. Alright, Bill Berg, very nice. It's a very nice Tony Gonzalez, man. Bill Berg. Bill, I gotta make sure I got your address, man. Okay. Nice Tony Gonzalez rookie on card. And last but not least, Ronald Jones for Tampa Bay. Running back for Tom Brady's team. 9 out of 99. Ronald Jones. Nice patch auto for Tampa Bay. And that's going to Chris. TB is Chris. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Nice little packy poo there. That Tony G rookie auto is very nice. Alright, Kansas City Chiefs, Bill Berg. Bill Berg, Minnesota. Newman on the Minnesota Vikings. Kim. And TB 12. Tom Brady only went there because of his initials, eh? 5 times. Here we go. Top spot, free spot into the premium or the bonus breaky poop. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And B. Wyatt. Alright, B. Wyatt. There you go. Premium pack 24. 24. Yep, very nice, man. Alright, 24 premium pack football. Alright, baseball Volt is up next. Very good, guys. Very good. The next one should 26 should be gone. It is. Very nice pack. Alright, guys. Volt's up next. No man. Yeah, yep. You got it, Kim. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. And Volt is up next. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. And that right there is the premium pack.